Ohwo wa mbere ambirie kuharwo muthenya wa Kiumia na agitwarwo thibitari akirigitwo na agicoka njera kuria kurekwo niwe uragwatiri acio 38 aria marikitie kurigitwo.
So as at now they are all stable. The one who was admitted in hospital has been discharged.
Kumana na mututhuko ucio, maabithaa a ugima wa mwiri ni maciarire njera iyo kuria maraheanire dawa kuri ohwo othe kurigiriria murimu uyu gutherema.
All the inmates at Kisumu Maximum Prison had been given medicine. Okay, we have our water system here, and we normally treat the water. But in addition to treating, we have been advised by the health personnel to boil the water, especially the drinking water.
Mundu ungi umwe ni eriga gukwa o njera iyo no kurero ndoragirwo ni cholera.
No, there was only one death, but not related to cholera.
Nakuo kaunti ya Machakos, mikawa 17 ni ihingitwo ni abithaa a ugima wa mwiri niundu wa kwaga cioro na kuremwo ni guthingata utheru wa gikiro kiria kiagirire ona gutwika murimo wa cholera nduri urakinya kaunti iyo.
Tulienda kusafisha ile mikawa yetu yote ambaye haikuwa na usafi unakamilika, tulisafisha na tukaambia wale ambao kutumisha wafunge waoshe, wakimaliza tutawafungulia.
Guku Nairobi, minista wa ugima wa mwiri Mairo augite ati no andu 35 guku Nairobi mena murimu ucio. Muigene uritio gwetha urigitani thibitari-ini na ceceni-ini ici: Huruma Lions, Mukuru Kwaga, Riruta, Mama Lucy Kibaki, Bagathi Hospital na Mukuru Kwaga. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Muthoni wa Mukiri.